Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. So Navratri is upon us and we usually cook recipes using potatoes, sabudana, etc. So today I'm going to be making a sweet dish with a very healthy ingredient. And the name of the recipe is Upvas Makhana Kheer. So let's begin. So very simple recipe. I'm going to start with boiling half a liter of full fat milk. Just keep stirring on it periodically. And on low heat, I'm just going to let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. So while this is boiling, let's move on to the next step, that is roasting of the makhanas. So let's heat up 1 teaspoon of ghee. Let's wait till the ghee melts and becomes hot. So for the makhanas, I've taken 1 cup of makhanas, out of which 3/4 I've chopped into quarters. Also, some of them I've kept whole. So this ghee is nice and hot and let's start roasting. Also add in the whole makhanas. Keep stirring continuously. You need to roast these at least for a good 5 minutes on low heat. Also, let's just give the milk a stir. While one is boiling, one is roasting, let's just do one more thing, which is soaking of the saffron. So I have a few strands of saffron here. Into this, I'm going to add in just a tablespoon of warm water. Let it just soak for a bit. Don't get your eyes off these. So makhana is a very trending ingredient these days, obviously because of its nutritional values. Makhana sabzi, snacks with makhana, sweet dishes like firni, kheer it's used in, and it's super delicious and it just nicely infuses and absorbs the flavor in whatever way that you want to cook it. So these are done and I'm going to turn off the flame. So the milk has been boiling for about 8 to 10 minutes. And time to add the other ingredients. So the first ingredient that goes in is obviously the makhanas. Give it a stir. And now this needs to boil for another 3 to 4 minutes. So this has been simmering since the last 3 minutes and now into this I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. Also some almond flakes. Also some pistachio flakes. And now let this boil for another 5 minutes. So makhana is a superfood and the childhood memory that I have that my mom inculcated in us is that instead of snacking on popcorn, she made us snack on makhana during movie time. And that habit has also continued since this is so high on nutrition. It's very high on calcium, it's very good for people who are suffering with arthritis, also aids blood pressure. So make sure you include makhana in your diet in some or the other way. And do let us know in the comment section below how you would like to cook or eat your makhanas. This has been boiling since the last 5 minutes and only one more ingredient that needs to go in. That is cardamom powder. So let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. I'm going to stop the flame at this point since it's going to thicken up as it cools. So just leave it at this consistency. Turn off the flame. And time to plate. So you could serve this hot or you could serve it cold. Choice is yours. Let's garnish this So I have some more almond flakes as well as some pistachio flakes. The saffron water, I'm just going to drizzle over it. You could even add it inside while boiling. Choice is yours. I also have some beautiful rose petals over here. They're dried, so you could use that. If you don't want to, you could just skip it. And your Upvas Makhana Kheer is ready. Please do give this recipe a try during this Navratri and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. For more such recipes, stay tuned to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes.